Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to track how much you use your iPhone, limit app usage, manage notification or set parental controls, turning on screen time is the first step. In iPhone settings 2026, screen time gives you clear insights and powerful controls over your digital habits. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on screen time on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, go to settings, okay? Look for screen time option, okay? Tap it. So this is the main dashboard for usage tracking and controls. So if screen time is currently off, tap turn on screen time, okay? Then tap continue to start setup, okay? So now choose whose iPhone this is. So select one option. This is my iPhone for personal tracking, or this is a child's iPhone for parental controls. So this choice affects available restriction options, okay? So once enabled, screen time begins tracking, okay? So app usage time, notifications, pickups, daily and weekly activity. You will see reports updates automatically, okay? So you can turn on downtown, so this is optional, okay? So this one, okay, so enable downtown to block apps during specific hours, allow only essential apps and calls, okay? So it's perfect for sleep or focus time, okay? So thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys in the next tutorial.